Welcome to our vocabulary and reading review, Islamic Spain for Grade 8, Unit 12. Hello everyone. In this short video, we will review key vocabulary and reading from Unit 12, when Islam came to Spain. Muslim, someone who follows the religion of Islam. Conquer, to take over land by force. Architecture, the design and structure of buildings. Scholar, a person who studies and learns deeply. Peacefully, in a calm and non-violent way. Now, let's read a short part from the reading text in Period 3. In the year 711, Muslim armies came to Spain from North Africa. They brought new knowledge in science, medicine, and mathematics. Many beautiful buildings were built, like the Alhambra Palace. People from different religions, Muslims, Christians, and Jews, lived together peacefully. Cities like Córdoba became famous for their libraries and schools. Q1. When did the Muslims come to Spain? A. In 711 AD. Q2. What did they bring with them? A. New knowledge in science and medicine. Q3. Who lived together peacefully? A. Muslims, Christians, and Jews. Great job. Now go back to the text and try to read it on your own. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.